Hi everyone, my name is Marc Griffiths and I'm the owner of Stiwdiobox. Stiwdiobox was launched back in 2009 and we offer digital workshops for primary schools and secondary schools in Wales. By now we have moved in here to the Canolfan Esbydorec yr Egin in Carmarthen. Let's have a look round. So here we are in the studio of Stiwdiobox in Canolfan Esbydorec yr Egin. And here we record radio shows for Cymru FM and also for the BBC. We also record and edit podcasts also. And I'll take you back when I was in year 11 in Ysgol Dyffryn TV in Llandersil and how I started the whole business of recording sound and different things. So I started, like I said, when I was in year 11 by doing discos on the weekends where I bought a CD player, a sound system and a few lighting kit and it cost me around the £250. So I started doing discos. I was out every Friday and Saturday doing a barn dance, doing weddings, 18th birthday parties. And I started really from there. And when I finished school in year 11, I was offered work by Theatr Felin Fach and Radio Ceredigion. So I was there for 5 years, presenting radio shows, editing shows, and so on. And then when I finished in Radio Ceredigion, I was offered work by the BBC as a freelancer, self-employed. So I started there with Radio Cymru, once again presenting numerous radio shows. And I also present a show every Saturday night on Radio Cymru. And I've been presenting that show now for the last 20 years, so it's quite a long time. And I started Stiwdiobox back in 2009, and like I said earlier on, we offer digital workshops for primary schools, secondary schools, and now obviously during the COVID-19 we do a lot of work here in the studio remotely, so recording radio shows remotely, recording podcasts remotely, but I do really enjoy my work from day to day, and also I'm my own boss, which is a very good thing. Well, next here I've got Llynos. She works in the Egin. Llynos, tell us a little bit about your work here in the Egin.
Well, I'm an engagement officer here at the Egin, and my job is to bring a lot of people into the Egin. Little babies, young children, adults, and to make sure that everybody enjoys their time here at the Egin, being creative and finding their own voice.
So Llynos, can you tell us what companies are based here in the Egin?
Well, we have Manylion. They create digital resources. They're amazing. And then we have Stiwdiobox, and he offers digital workshops. And then we have the amazing S for C here. So it's an opportunity for everyone to work together and create together.
What's the best thing working here in the Egin for you?
When I walk through the doors here at the Egin, I feel very creative, and it's really nice to see different people from the community coming together and being creative, because it's really important.
Thank you, Llynos. Right then, boys and girls, I've got a little challenge for you to do today. Now then, from day to day, we create and produce radio adverts and also TV adverts. But today, I want you to create a 30 seconds radio advert to advertise a local business in your area. Maybe we have parents that own their own business, a garage maybe, a shop, a hairdresser, whatever. You can advertise any local business. Now then, you need to find out a little bit about the business. What time do they open? What do they sell? And so on. Then you need to create a 30-second script, and then you need to record this advert. How to record? Well, we use a software, and it's a free software called Audacity. This is free to download. So if you head over to Google, search for free Audacity download, and then download it to your PC or Mac. And then in the next session, I'll show you how to edit the advert. Now then, I hope you've had time to download the free Audacity download. I hope you found it through Google. And as I said, it is a free download and it's a very handy tool. This is Audacity on the screen here. If I can show you a few buttons that you'll be using during your time doing the radio advert. This is the pause, play, stop, back, forward, record, and here are a few other buttons that you'll be using as well. I'll show you a few of these when I record my voice. So here we go. If I record my voice, I'm going to use the built-in microphone on my computer. So as you can see over here, there is an icon here, the microphone icon. So I'm using the built-in microphone. If you have a USB, a professional microphone, you can plug that into your computer, and then you can drop down menu and select that USB microphone. But for today, I'm using the built-in microphone, and to listen back, I'll be using the built-in output so that I can hear everything through the speakers of my computer. So here we go. We'll record my voice by pressing the record button. Hi everyone, my name is Marc Griffiths and I own a company called Stiwdiobox. And then I've just pressed stop. So you can see the waveform of my voice here. If we have a quick listen back, if I'll skip back and then press play. Hi everyone, my name is Marc Griffiths and I own a company called Stiwdiobox. Now, as you notice, there is a little bit of gap at the beginning and at the end. So to get rid of those gaps, that's all I have to do is put the cursor right in front of the waveform, click on there, hold the mouse down and drag it back. Okay, so you can see it's gone grey at the beginning. So that's all I have to do is press this little icon there called the scissors, the cut button. Okay, if I cut that piece, that's gone. And the same at the end, there's a little bit of gap there. If I drag it over to the end and then click cut, it's gone. So if we press back and play, it'll start straight away. Hi everyone, my name is Marc Griffiths and I own a company called Stiwdiobox. Fantastic. So that's my voice being recorded on Audacity through the computer. Now it'll be quite nice to have a little bit of music underneath this piece of voice. So if I go into my computer, I have quite a few music tracks. Okay, so if I drag this into Audacity, drag and drop, it'll automatically start a new track. So there we go, that's the piece of music. So I need to move the voice over a little bit. So there is a tool for that called the time shift tool. Can you see it here? Time shift tool. If I click on that, then click on my voice. I can drag it anywhere I want. Okay, so if I put it roughly around there, and then if I go back and press play, here we go. Hi everyone, my name is Marc Griffiths and I own a company called Stiwdiobox. So there we go, that's the music underneath the voice. The problem I've got now, you can't hear my voice that good because the music is too loud. Right, we've got another tool called the envelope tool. Can you see it here? Envelope tool. So what can be done here is if I click on the envelope tool, I can put a little dot there, another little dot there, one there, and the other one there. So the two middle dots, I can drag them down. Can you see the music dipping under the voice there? Okay, so if I drag it down to there, hopefully now you can hear my voice over the music track. Here we go. Hi everyone, my name is Marc Griffiths and I own a company called Stiwdiobox. So there we go. That's how you dip the music under your voice. So the tools we're using once more is the time shift tool. That's to move the audio back and forward, okay? And if you want to dip the music under your voice, you use the envelope tool, okay? That's quite a handy tool. So you can dip the music up and down under your voice. So that's how you record on Audacity and that's how you edit on Audacity. You can save everything by going to File, Export, and export as MP3, okay? And you can put a little label on your track as well. You can name your track. So good luck with everything, creating your radio advert on Audacity. Pob lwc I chi. So there we go. That gives you an idea how to edit audio on Audacity. And good luck with your radio adverts. And remember, if you do get stuck, there are plenty of online videos available on YouTube how to edit on Audacity. Well, I hope you've enjoyed our little video on Stiwdiobox, and let's hope I've inspired you and hopefully you'll start your own little venture or your own business in the near future. Pob lwc. Good luck.